I bought it 8 years ago. It was just chassis and body, and me and my wife, we redid everything, all the paint. We built from frame off. We got it redone 2 years ago. Now we show it every weekend somewhere up in Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin. We've been to 3 C10 Nationals this year, and we're having fun with it. It's all about fun. A 69 GMC Sierra short bed, 2-wheel drive, motors 350, training 700 R4, diamond white paint and forest green paint. Smoothed a lot of stuff out, made my own inner wheel wells. I'm more proud I did it all myself, me and the wife in the garage, nights and weekends. That's what I like about doing all the work myself. I did all the paint, I made my own inners, and we just have fun with it now. Well, I grew up around my dad. My dad had a bunch of these 67 through 72s. I fell in love with them, then I ended up buying them. This is what, 4th or 5th truck I own, but this one I'm keeping. The other ones are gone. And that, yeah, they're just, in my opinion, they're the best looking pickups around.